Hey everyone, welcome to Manifest AI's launch webinar. Today we are going to talk about AI commerce agents. And if you don't know what Manifest AI is, it's an all-in-one CRM that helps you handle everything from acquisition, retention, customer experience, everything under one platform. And when I say handle, most of the job is done by commerce agents, and the rest can be handed over to human. So it's as simple as that. And in today's session, we are going to talk about how you build these commerce agents or how you choose from the agents that are already available out of the box in our marketplace, and then get started with your brand or any brand that you're working with. So let's get started. Little bit about me. So I used to work for Microsoft before starting this company as a software developer. Currently, with Manifest AI, we are working with about 350 brands across the globe. There are major companies that work with us, for example, Lego, Durex, Transformer Table. There are tons of massive, massive companies now leveraging commerce agents using Manifest AI, and we are going to cover all that in today's session. So agenda would be, a little bit talking about how the future would look like when it comes to e-commerce and brands. What is the problem that our AI agents are solving? What's the vision, how it looks like today versus where we are heading to? What are AI commerce agent? I think that's the biggest question that all of us want to answer. We'll also have a scoop of how you can build your own AI agents, though we won't cover a lot of that. But I'll send that video post this webinar that you can see through and decide for yourself. Then there are tons of live demos that we have prepared. It is across category. So whatever category your brand belongs to, you'll have that example in today's session. The holistic agentic AI CRM, whether, like I said, whether it's acquisition, retention, customer experience, or engagement, how it works under one single platform and the impact. So this is it. This is the agenda. Let's get started. So yeah, I'll skip it. Now you know about future. If we talk about 2025, what we believe and what we are seeing with brands that we are working globally, today, if we go back like a couple of years ago, you are using, let's say, couple of tools for your marketing campaigns, and then few tools for your customer service, and then another set of tools for your web personalization, and then some tools for your chatbots. So what we are seeing in 2025 is the theme has changed. People now want to consolidate under one platform. People don't want to spend so much time doing manual efforts. They want to hand over or outsource things to AI agents. So everything is coming together now. And reason of this coming together is because if you really want to build an commerce agent that can do the job for you, let's say, for example, today you are doing things manually when you're running a campaign, or you are creating an automation when someone abandons a cart. Everything is manual. Now, let's say, you assign an AI agent saying that, hey, my goal is to increase my abandoned cart recovery by 10%. And then you give instructions XYZ, and then a success criteria. For it to execute really well, it has to understand your brand really well. And for it to understand your brand really well, it has to understand the holistic picture. It can't be just about marketing. It can't be just about support. It has to understand the holistic picture. Just giving an example, if you're running a marketing campaign and then suddenly you realize that revenue, top of the funnel revenue was great, but post that there were a lot of refunds that happened through that, the orders that came through that campaign. That insight, that visibility, hardly a marketer has, but a customer service team definitely has. That, the quality of customers came in through that campaign were really low. So that is where an all-in-one agentic AI CRM comes into place. So now we'll talk about the biggest problem, and this is all, a very, very tiny, teeny part of the holistic cost that you guys incur on a monthly basis for the tools that you're using. You pay something for referral loyalty programs, you pay something for reviews, platforms, email marketing, Instagram automation, help desk, so much, so much. A lot of your marketing and e-commerce budget goes into just paying off these tools. This is going to change. And not just money, it's also about your efforts. When you split things across tech stack, it becomes very tedious. Integration from A tool to B, B to C, but then you realize A to C is totally broke. So that's what we are going to solve through AI commerce agents. Vision, like I said, New Way is one AI platform with specialized agents working autonomously. You don't have to intervene. Initial 7 to 15 days, you set it up. Post that, you don't even have to worry. You just need to monitor on your dashboard. You just have to use your iPhone to monitor it, and that's it. Just like Shopify, like once you set up the website, then all you do is to keep monitoring if the revenue is going up or not. Of course, you do optimizations, etc. But for your CEO or for an executive, it's more about looking at the dashboard, and that's how it's going to become for you. Now, coming to AI commerce agents. Uh, you know, uh, when we launched AI commerce agents or when we were building AI commerce agent, the biggest problem that we wanted to solve apart from consolidation, of course, was uh, you know, when we think from a shopper's perspective, not from a brand's perspective, from a shopper's perspective, if you are, let's say, deploying an AI chatbot on your website, think from a shopper's perspective. Are they feeling good about it? Are they, enjoying the experience that they're having on your website? Are your answers robotic or human? So that was the number one problem statement that we wanted to solve with commerce agents. It should be as human as possible, and it should not just answer question, it should do things in background. So the biggest difference between AI chatbot and commerce agents is commerce agents can chat with your customer, take those input, go back office, update your Shopify order management place or any other place that you have. There is no limit to that task that you can give to commerce agent. Task such as, asking your commerce agents to go and, collect a lead on your website, put it on Excel sheet, and if this he or she comes again back on any other channel, it could be any social channel, then answer accordingly. So there are, multiple tons of things that you can do as a health brand. If you want to deploy like a BMI calculator, you can just give goals, instructions, and success criteria, and you'll be done. So these are like, we have 100 plus AI agents across, like out of the box, but these are like few examples that we have put here. Competitor conversion, what it means. Let's say if you have a fragrance brand, you can come and a shopper can come and ask, like, hey, I really love XYZ perfume from Chanel. Sorry, there's some disturbance. Yeah. So, I love XYZ perfume from Chanel. And do you have something similar or something, that you would think that would go hand in hand with what I like? And, AI agent would be able to respond to that. It can crawl internet, it can understand what kind of perfume Chanel XYZ is, and then, pick up one from your store. Similarly, cross-sell and upsell bundle recommendation, it takes care of it itself. Let's say if someone's buying a woman top from your website, then there will be a cross-sell engine, and which is conversational. It looks human. It doesn't feed in just those templatized UI UX on your website. So yeah, this is about Commerce Agent. This is the whole marketplace. I'll send the link after this call. Just explore it by yourself. There are so many things that you can do out of the box. Style match agent, store locator agent, routine suggestion, shopping guide, size guide. Guys, the size guide has been a hero agent for us. Like I've seen literally uh 40 to 50% refund rates are coming down to 30-35%. 15% reduction is massive. You guys should definitely try out if you come from an apparel brand background. So these are like few agents, but we have 100 plus out of the box. And this is not very difficult to build. It's very straightforward. And this is one example. So this brand, if you guys know Amazon Rufus, it's like Rufus, but for your website. So like you see, how does the night cream work? There's this AI floating bar at the bottom. You can design the way you like. It's not necessary this is how you put it, but this is one way to get started. Now, this is find your right size. So here, your customers, your shoppers can come, ask for the size that would suit in, and then AI will handle the rest. The good and the most important point is you need to give right set of goals, instructions, and success criteria to make it possible. We'll cover that shortly. Summarize reviews. You can build AI agents to summarize review and let people chat about it. Let's say, for example, here we have put Moroccan argan oil. Here, the product has great reviews, as you can see. Not so great, 2.5 ratings, but let's say, if someone has to care about what kind of reviews this product has when it comes to, let's say, uh, dry hair, or what kind of reviews this product has when it comes to a lady that's 40 plus. People can just ask that kind of question and let AI answer that instead of them scrolling and finding the review that works best. So this is competitor conversion agent that I wanted to show you on this website. Let me help you find your perfect scent. I want something similar to Chanel. Which perfume do you currently use? Chanel de Bleu. And then it recommends the uh, recommended perfumes that's suitable to Chanel. So that's how amazingly it works. Now, coming to the numbers. In numbers, this is what we are seeing for this particular agent. Around 5% revenue contribution is now happening just through this AI agent, and about $83,000 in sales. So it was like, and this idea came through this brand. We were not inventors of this idea. Brand came to us, said that this is what they want to build, and hence we build it for them, and now it's available for general purpose brands as well. Now coming to an agent that could be deployed on Instagram. So let's say there is a post, and someone commented, do you collaborate? Just as simple as an influencer coming and doing that. Now we'll wait and see what happens. So suddenly there is a DM that comes in from the brand side. Could you please, it says, could you please clarify what type of collab are you referring to? This is not a human. This is an AI doing the job. Then let's say, the user replies collaboration with brand as an influencer, and then so on and so forth. It will take care of it. It will keep asking questions, shortlist an influencer for you as a brand, and then see for itself if they qualify your collaboration idea or not. So this is another example. You can deploy the same commerce agent. You just have to train it once, and then you can deploy it on Instagram, on website, wherever you want. How we build that, it's super easy. So once you just need to give a goal, you have to give an instruction, and you have to give a success criteria. All comes under this particular block. That's it. There's nothing fancy that you need to do, and my team would be there to help you sort things out as well. For the out of the box AI agents that are available, that is something that you don't have to do anything. Everything's already set. But for those where you want to build your own AI use cases, my team is there to help you out. Now, information collection agent, this is what I want to showcase on Door Supplies Online. So, for example, I want a quote. Let's get started with your quote. Could you please share your name, email ID? And then we share that with them. Excuse me. What if products do you need a quote for? Then we'll share, some product types. What sizes is what AI is asking now. It's going as deep as possible. So this is how AI can work, and it can go even beyond this. If you want to use this information and give a quote on the go, which doesn't look great in this example, but you can do that mathematical calculation, hand it over to agent to do that, and then give out an answer. And this is in background, requested item for code for this brand. There's an email that gets generated, and all the details are there in one single place. So it's super easy, super intuitive, not just for shoppers, but also for brand. And then your sales team can go back and just respond to this need a quote agent. Again, this agent was requested by our client, Door Supplies Online. It was not our idea, but now it's available for everyone. This So in this tutorial, I'll quickly show you what's important. So here, if you see agent goals, context and instructions, and success criteria. So you choose the agent, then you'll put agent goal, then you'll put instructions. You can change this. It will be pre-filled already, but you can tweak this. And then success criteria. So that is how you build it. You can give access to the source data. You can also share intents, documents, although it's already trained on your e-commerce store. So the one that, if you see this, as simple as that. It's an order cancellation agent. And also, one thing that I would like to highlight is order cancellation can also become a place where you save certain order cancellation. So you can train your AI agent to ensure that uh, it is able to save a lot of order cancellation that's happening, which are genuine. Okay, great, it can go ahead, but which are non-genuine, it can protect you from that. So that's another thing that can handle. Now coming to Agentic AI CRM, what happens post, you know, agent handover? Like we saw in that video, there is a place where you can hand it over to humans. So what happens beyond that? Do we need to go back to the tools that we are using currently, or there is a way for humans to handle things here in the same platform? So answer to both questions is yes. So if you want to move your human tools for human as well to our platform, then there is a section that can do that for you. So you can run your own campaigns here. You can, have your help desk here. You don't have to pay for any other external help desk. 99% of things will be handled by your post-purchase commerce agents. But beyond that, that 1%, you can use your help desk here. So you don't have to pay for any other massive help desk outside the CRM. When it comes to campaign, a lot of things will be already automated through automation. Let's say you can deploy an agent which takes care of birthday months and ensure that in the birthday month, enough follow-ups are done for any member to, avail their discount coupon. But, if you want to do certain campaigns manually, you can do that as well in this tool. Gamification, there are a lot of ways you can gamify your experience on your website, and then enable any agents, let's say on Instagram, on Facebook Messenger, or on email as well, up to you. But gamify the experience, and then let them to other channels, your retention channels that you usually use. Quizzes, available here. Segments, you can build segments. For example, anyone who did a product search with an AI agent, or anyone who interacted with XYZ AI agent, create a cohort of that. You can do that here. So it's very intuitive, very holistic. But even now, if you want that, I will replace my human tools one after another. Right now, I'll just go with agents. That's also doable. You can integrate your human tools with agents and then slowly increase your use cases one after other. So this is about it. It comes with very, very deep analytics. For example, on which agent, how much are the triggers, how much revenue it's generating, or if it's like a post-purchase agent, then it's about how much support or agent effort reduction that it's able to do. Impact, it's about the agent that you choose. So for example, lift in sales or ROI is like a given for any commerce agent that you deploy. If you're paying certain bucks to build AI agent, then ROI is a must. But beyond that, cost is reduced on your tools, higher engagement across channels, and uptick in add to carts. It's like very, very simple. And this, 100% actually happens. Like we have seen 200, 300% upticks as well after deploying agents. Because you just imagine, like you as a shopper abandoned a cart, and then you are getting that static messages, every now and then as a text or as an email or even on WhatsApp. But now imagine you can do that on real-time basis. What they're abandoning, what did they search before abandoning, what kind of personality the shopper has. Everything you can leverage through AI agent to give them a very, very dynamic answer. And the best part is you can do it holistically across your Instagram, across your website, across your other social channels like Facebook Messenger. So that brings in, for example, someone follows you on Instagram, you can send them a DM, and it's very, very personalized. It's not something, where you have to code static text that you usually see on Instagram. But yeah, this is what I said when we just begin our webinar. One is, you can book a slot on my calendar if you want. If you don't feel comfortable with that, that's okay. But you can drop in your website here, website link here. We'll reach out to you with like an audit. What top AI commerce agents can create impact on your website after doing the audit. If possible, drop your social handles as well, because we see a brand holistically, but we'll figure that out even if you're with your brand website. So there is in chats, there is my Calendly link. Go ahead and book it, and we'll come back with how we can help your brand and what will be top three AI agents that you can deploy and see results quickly. Exclusive offer. There is this 30-day free access to all agents, no questions asked. You can go ahead, choose your agents, or if you want to deploy all agents, if you even want to move your human tools here, anything and everything. For this 30 days, it's on us. So just go and grab this opportunity. Thank you so much, guys. Now I'll just open up for questions. Just start putting that on chat. Okay, so there is question from Oh, hi, Kathleen. You have put a chat. Thank you so much for chatting. Ashley, out of 100 plus agents, how to decide which AI agent should I start with? It's super easy, Ashley. That's where our help comes into place, our expertise comes into place. We'll understand which metric that you want to solve for. And of course, this is going to be mostly like if you want to hurry up, we can also help you during BFCM. But if you want to go safe, we can do it for your beyond BFCM timeline, which is we'll understand do you have challenges in conversion rates, do you have challenges in post purchase, or do you have challenges in retention? And accordingly, once we understand the metric, we'll give you like these are top 3 or 5 commerce agents that you can go live with and see ROI. And we'll do everything, hand holding, training the AI. All of this happens within 7 days. It's not very, very difficult, but within 7 days, you can go live. You can also take agents live for, let's say, 5% of audience, 10% of audience. So that is what you can do. By the way, last year during BFCM, a lot of customers changed the order details after ordering, which took a lot of manual. Yeah, of course. So, order modification is an agent that's already available. Order refund, order returns, everything. If you're selling electronics or a heavy item good, then warranty claim handling agents are also available. So, post BFCM, the volume of orders that a brand needs to handle, agents are there. So yeah, I think that's a great place to get started with. Okay, this is, yeah. Kathleen, can the system go backwards and pick up historical data to train AI? 100%. It takes care of everything historically you have on your Shopify, you have on your Instagram, you have on your Facebook Messenger. You don't have to worry about, putting anything additional onto AI. But on the go, when you feel and when you sense that this is not going right, you can add data sources just like we saw in that video. So yeah, that definitely, you don't have to do any manual effort. So, yeah, guys, this was great. Thank you so much for joining in today. We are already beyond time, but just go ahead, book a slot on my calendar, and we'll help you understand what agents are suitable for you. Thank you so much for your time today.